thank you for watching. Today we're opening up Splendies, my monthly panty subscription. This costs $14.95 a month. There is a promo code. Last I checked it is still active. It's not my own, it's just one I found when I initially subscribed a while ago. That saves you 50% off your first month, so I think that is wonderful. I'll leave all the information down below. Before we get unboxing my new panties, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here in our channel, so if you love subscription boxes as well, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We recently hit 10,000 subscribers, so as a big thank you, I have a big giveaway going on. If you have not yet seen that video or entered, I will link that at the end of this video so you can check it out next. And now let's get back to Splendies. So in Splendies you get 3 pairs of panties every single month, and you get to customize it to your preference. So you can get all like regular like brief panties, isn't that what it's called? Someone told me, I'm like, what are normal underwear? You're like, briefs. I'm like, okay. Or you can get all thongs, or you can get a surprise variety. So that's what I get, and pretty much always you get 2 pairs of regular underwear and then 1 thong. And they're always so cute. The quality is great. A lot of people suggest sizing up 1 size if you like a more comfortable fit. I got my normal size and it's fine, but I just want to let you guys know if you are subscribing, you may want to consider getting a size above normal for you. And they offer a wide size range too. It goes from an extra small to a 4X, so I think that's great. They're very inclusive. And I think that's all the information we need, so let's get this bag open. Oh, the tissue paper it's wrapped in is so cute. Little kissies in a heart shape. Let me try and get this sticker off so I can save it. Ooh, that's very pretty. So here is a sneak peek. I can say I love the colors. Oh, and it looks like we have all thongs this month. So they switched it up. So this is an example of what you would get if it was the thong variety, and these are so cute. So we have 2 like solid print and 1 looks like floral. So let's start with this one. It's pretty in red. Oh. So this one's different. It seems like on one side there is like an extra like stretchy side, so it can probably be like more up your hip. I'm trying to describe it. I don't know if I'm doing it any justice. Maybe you can like see it there. So that's different. I love the red color, and this is super stretchy and comfortable, and I feel like this would be good material for underneath like your clothes. You wouldn't really see the underwear, but this is different. I like want to try it out and see how this like double strap here thing works. If you guys know more than I do, or if I'm explaining this like 100% wrong, please let me know. I would try it on. I don't know if I would show you, but either way, it'd probably get demonetized. They probably don't even like me using the word panty. Oh wait, there's 1 on each side. I missed that. So there's a double on each side. So how did I not realize that at first? I don't know. But I think that's really cool. So you can kind of make it like look a little sexy, like one a little bit above. I don't know. I think that look would be cool, and I like that that makes it stand out. This feels so nice and comfy. I love when it's a stretchier fit. So this is by Splendies brand. It is $12, and it is made from 95% cotton and 5% spandex. So yeah, it's probably all cotton and then just some spandex in that area. The next one, I love this like lavender, like lilac color, what would you call it? Again, feels like a really super comfortable fit, and it's like ribbed, and then has some lace on the top. And that's what the back looks like. I love this color, and it seems so comfortable. I know some people don't think thongs are comfortable, but I honestly like prefer them a lot instead of like underwear like riding up. I don't know. Again, this is $12 by Splendies, and again, made with 95% cotton and 5% spandex. Love the color. And then the next pair is so cute. So it's got like this peach lacy top, and then a pretty floral pattern. I am stumbling over words so bad today. Oh my god, these all seem like perfect for me. I love it. I love the colors, the peach and blue, and there's like some pink and orange, purple. Aren't those pretty colors? So Splendies brand, $12, and also made with 95% cotton and 5% spandex. So aren't these all so cute? I love Splendies. Like before Splendies, I feel like, I don't know, I just really needed like a underwear drawer refresh, and now I have so many cute pairs. They last really well. I've been getting this for a long time now. I first subscribed myself, and then eventually Splendies started sending them my way, so thank you, Splendies. I'm loving them, yeah. So I've been washing them, using them for over a year in all perfect condition, great quality, so cute, and I love it. So if you guys get Splendies too, I would love to know, are we panty twins? Sometimes Nikki and I talk about that. I'm like, that's so funny that we call ourselves panty twins, but yeah. I don't know, let me know what you got, what you think of my new underwear, and that is everything, guys. Thank you to my channel members. Thank you to all of you just for being here and watching. Your support means so much to me. Don't forget to enter that giveaway. It should be popping up here soon. But anyway, stay safe, stay healthy. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.